Okay, so ayan.
Ay, meron po tayo foreigner. What country you're coming?
He's from Turkey.
Oh, you're Turkey.
Ano yung Turkey?
Turkey.
Ano pa po? I-roast mo niya mamaya. Ito naman si Ed.
So, you're Turkey? You want president? Come over. Your name is Omar?
Umar.
Omar?
Umar.
Alam mo, mawiksan ka, no?
Mr. Bean. Guwapo, Mr. Ay, guwapo na si Mr. Bean.
Can you join for a while only?
Yeah, we're gonna have a group sex. Come on.
Baboy mo, group six.
Yeah, oh.
Oh, panalo, model.
Puta ka naman.
Isang building.
Bangin mo eh. Lahat ng mga nag-i-English, kaya mo yan?
No, I graduate.
Graduated.
Yes. Oh, translator! We have translator?
Parang universe.
Oh, parang Miss
Oo,
Universe.
okay.
Translator.
So we can manage.
We
Yeah.
can manage. I'm very smart.
Yeah, so
Si Robin.
okay, so there. Thank you so much.
Meron tayong taga-Turkey, Canada,
Balik tayo ng Canada from Australia.
Denmark,
Denmark.
from Taguig. Wow!
In Laguna.
In Laguna. Wow.
Where in Laguna? The first town in Laguna is San Pedro.
Wow, maraming patsupa dyan.
Sa toll gate.
Patsupa dyan. Hoy, baka patsupa rin yan, ha?
Bakit mo ba? Ayun o, ayun o. Oh. Oh. Just, what is your name again? Umar. How old are you, Umar? Well, hindi mo na ba Omar. Omar.
How old now? How old are you?
23.
23. Wow.
I'd like you to meet LB.
Yeah.
She's one of the
I would
she's
like...
one of the Manila's finest.
Yeah.
Wala akong sabi eh.
Hi. It's very glad to meet you.
It's very glad, Tara. Yung ganda ng English mo, te.
Very deep. So what do you do for your life?
What do you for living?
For living? You work? You work? You study. What kind of study?
Yeah, lawyer.
Law?
Lawyer.
Lawyer. Wow.
Are you a lawyer now?
You're a lawyer? No, study.
Study? You finish proper? Pre-law?
No, I didn't finish it.
Why? Because your parents are not rich or difficult? Mahirap ka. Ganoon talaga makapagano ka sa kanilang donation.
What kind of speaking language do you have in your Turkey?
Turkish and Kurdish. Kurdish.
Wow, maganda yan. Nice one.
Ano yun?
Kurdish chicken? Like, Turkey, Thanksgiving, yeah. So, we have girlfriend, we have fucking girlfriend, we have fuckmate. He will fuck you. I'm just joking. So, we have girlfriend. Where is she? Is that the one? Maybe.
Naligawan ka na ni Suwena.
Ikaw ganda mo, haba ng buhok mo.
Yeah, Suwena, I think Umar likes you so much. Yeah.
Do you like her?
That's why I'm here.
Ay, Ako kami sa Luma Gutierrez. Bakla.
Diba? Yung asawa niya si ano?
Imas, Elmas.
Beckham.
Tanga, si Elmas Beckham yun. Beckham. David Beckham pa rin.
Ang ganda ng ano nito.
Ganda,
Siguro
ano?
color yellow yung nipple niya.
Bukas na magpapakailan siya talaga.
Oo, papakain ako ng buhok. So, what do you find in her that you didn't find anywhere else? Beauty, that
Ikaw na lang muna i-hashtag si Edda. Kasi syempre, it's a matter of ano yun, between the two of them, the two of you.